check out the beauty of my morning tea situation. I have my nice cup. I'm gonna put some milk in this pot. Because you know, it's nice if you can do a proper tea ceremony. This is, you've seen this before, this is my teapot. I love having tea like this and then get some sugar. This is some organic, I don't know, it's not normal sugar, it's made from cane juice. I'm discovering this secondhand shop right near my studio. It looks really good, really well organized. This is my new favorite jacket. It's a belt staff, but it's white. I have just been recording, I was gonna say filming, but no, just recording a podcast about values and the hierarchy of values, how to find your values, to be powerful and to know how to live your life in a way that is true to yourself with integrity. I think it's a really important subject. It's the thing that I went to study the other day. And I would like this to be more of a conversation and not just a one-way lecture where I'm telling you stuff. So please listen to it and comment on it and let me know. I put it in a YouTube video as well, just to make it more accessible and so that there can be a conversation underneath it. Let me know what you think. Let me know how your values differ to mine, maybe. Let me know some of your values, maybe. That would be really interesting to know how we compare with each other and how different people are. Even a bunch of people who share a lot of stuff. Just waiting for the bus. I am taking this beautiful piece of art to get framed. This is called my first bikini wax. Well, my first Brazilian wax. I'm starting by this one and then I have others that I need to frame. But of course it's conceptual art. It's not actually art, it's just an artifact. It's basically what happened when I gave myself my first Brazilian wax on top of this canvas. So really you're buying my personality more than anything. But let's see how much the framing is gonna cost, because the last time they said something around 200 and I wasn't even planning to sell this so expensive, so we'll see. Maybe I will show you the side of the camera. I'm off to the studio, by the way. I'm supposed to be going to the studio right now, but it's just she called me, the girl that does the framing, and she's like, I'm gonna go to the studio, do you want to come over with your painting? She doesn't know what it is yet. And so I'm doing that. I just rushed out of the house so that I could do that before I head to the studio. So I'm here at this framer's entrance, but she just texted me saying she had to run out and she'll be back in 10 minutes, which is kind of annoying because I'm running really late. Today I'm going to be recording a song with the Brazilian DJ producer that I've been collaborating with. He's a really cool dude called JP. And we are making a song. I've called it Vespa, and it goes like this. She moves you when it rains. Can I be your girl? I'm wearing a dress now. I'm on your Vespa. Do it. Do it. Okay, what shall we do? Should we study while we're here? I don't know. I'm really bad at wasting time. So let's not do that. Let's not alter people's lives forever. Let's be mindful of our magnetism. So maybe success. We are just in time. So this girl, she was actually really lovely. I'm really happy to have chosen her for my art. And she seems like she's quite fast and she's very affordable. So I will definitely recommend her. Very unfriendly cat, much like me. Look, this is us. Never waste a window without looking at yourself. I'm in my terrace. I'm wearing on my lips one of the Manassi 7 color pots in the color Alisain. Don't mind my mouth ulcer, which is inside my mouth. It's not a herpes, I bit my mouth inside. And I think it's gonna permanently stay there now. It seems like. So this is my little spot. It's a crazy hot day. It's completely essential to take a selfie when I'm in the lift because it's the one time where it's like I've decided I'm wearing this and I'm sticking to it. Darlings, I'm just planning my excursion later. I'm gonna go to San Albans at around 4 p.m, which is kind of late. But that's the time that we had to do it, and I've never been there before, funnily enough, because I have so many friends from there. So I'm going to do that. I'm in a side street because I had to make a phone call and I needed some silence. But we're gonna go back home now.